Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2021 Ducati Scrambler Desert Sled. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2021 Ducati Scrambler Desert Sled with 9,395 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS and has been upgraded with CRG mirrors, Barkbusters handguards, fog lights, T-Rex engine sliders, Evotech radiator guards, a Rizoma fuel cap, engine guards, a rear fender eliminator kit, a headlight guard, a windscreen, rider footrest, a kickstand foot, a chain, and a sprocket. Powered by an 803cc L-twin engine, the Scrambler puts 73 horsepower and 49 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 3.5-gallon fuel capacity, the Scrambler has a 120 to 150 mile range. It has a 33.9-inch seat height and a 461-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, the Scrambler will need rear turn signals with sufficient visibility. In New York, this is not an issue. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 730 seconds, and the rear at 830 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the exhaust, finish peeling on the headlight guard, and a chip on the swing arm. This bike has 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our premium program. It received an inspection, service, repairs, detail, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for the first 30 days or 1,000 miles and continued powertrain warranty for a total of 90 days or 3,000 miles. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trade. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.